for cleansing the liver and blood vessels. 4 powerful ingredients. Beet. Beetroot has an anti-inflammatory effect, supports regeneration, and helps the body fight depression. Beets are rich in folate, vitamin B9, which helps cells grow and function. Folate plays a key role in controlling damage to blood vessels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Beets are naturally high in nitrates, which are turned into nitric oxide in the body. Parsley. Parsley is recommended to be used to strengthen the gums, improve appetite and digestion, remove salt from the body. Carrot. Carrot has a high content of beta-carotene, provitamin A, vitamins C, E, K and several B vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B6, B9. They also have a number of health benefits. They're a weight loss-friendly food and have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved eye health. Water 300 ml. Ginger 20 grams. Ginger increases serotonin and dopamine levels. This can reduce inflammation, which may cause depression. Ginger could also provide benefits for anxiety, depression, dementia, Alzheimer's disease and post-traumatic stress disorder. Ease stomach pains. Ginger can treat nausea and motion sickness. Physalis. Physalis have an antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, hemostatic, analgesic, diuretic, choleretic effect. Physalis is an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps maintain a healthy immune system and encourages wound healing. Other nutrients found in Physalis include beta-carotene and vitamin K. Chop and blend all 4 ingredient filter and your juice is ready. Be careful if you are hypersensitive to any of the ingredients. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching.